Managing recurring emails in Outlook has historically been a point of friction. While Outlook is excellent for calendar management, its native recurring task workaround, where you attach an email to a task, is clunky, hidden, and honestly, a bit of a productivity killer. Hi, I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to show you how to send an email automatically every day, every week, every month, or however often you like. To automate recurring messages in Outlook, we're going to use Boomerang, the email productivity suite. To get started, you'll first need the Boomerang add-in. If you're using the Outlook app on a Windows PC, in your sidebar, there's a squarish icon with 4 dots. Click here. Then select Add Apps and simply search for Boomerang. Click Open to install it. It takes about 5 seconds and it integrates directly into your existing Outlook interface. No separate software required. If you're using a different version of Outlook, like on a Mac computer or through your browser on the web, you can visit boomerangoutlook.com. Click the red button and follow the installation steps to get started. Once installed, open a new email, type or paste your message, and add your recipients. When you're ready to schedule it, look for the Boomerang icon in your ribbon. Click on Send Later to access the advanced scheduling features. From here, select Schedule Recurring Message. You'll see a highly granular menu. You can set the email to send on the first of every month, every weekday, or even specific bi-weekly intervals. Simply set your start date, your preferred time, and your end conditions. Unlike the native task method, this is a true set it and forget it system that lives right inside your message window. Boomerang handles the delivery logic in the cloud, so your emails go out exactly when they're supposed to, with no manual intervention required. Outlook doesn't need to be open for Boomerang to send your recurring message on schedule. Your computer doesn't even need to be turned on. If you need to make edits, you can view your scheduled messages through the Boomerang Manage page. Here's another tip. Pin the Boomerang side panel for easier access to all its tools. Boomerang for Outlook is the most efficient way to ensure your recurring emails stay on track. Check the link in the description for a free trial of Boomerang for Outlook, and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.